Good morning everyone. This is the second video of lesson number 5, our nervous system of class 5 science. Okay. So in the last video we read about the functions of the brain. In this video we need to read about the parts of the brain. So our brain is having three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and brainstem. Okay, now from your book just have a look at all the three parts. This is the picture of a brain. I have taken this ball and colored ball so you can remember that the bigger yellow part is cerebrum. The smaller red part is cerebellum and below it there is brain stem. So now all these three parts, in the first one, cerebellum, that is our whole brain, is cerebellum is the largest and it controls all the things, that is thoughts, memory. You remember the functions of the brain. In that, thoughts, memory, learnings, all these things were there, all the sense organs were also there. So cerebellum, that is the biggest part, coordinate the learning, thoughts, memory and the sense organs. Then there is cerebellum, which is situated at our back. That is, it is the back of the brain, and when it is at the back, it controls the balance. That is, we can stand properly, plus the coordination of the muscles. So it helps us to stand, move. With the vertebral column we can move properly. It helps us to stand, move and maintain our balance. Next part is the brain stem. The other name of brain stem is medulla. So what happens? It connects the brain to the spinal cord. In the last video you read about the vertebral column, last chapter. That is something that is coming from here till the last hip bone, from the neck to your hips. That is vertebral column. So brain is connected with the vertebral column or with the spinal cord through the brain stem, and with the help of it controls the breathing, digestion and the blood circulation. All these systems are the ones that are not in your control. All these you can control sometimes, but all these, that is breathing, you cannot control yourself, digestion you cannot control and the blood circulation you cannot control. So these are the three parts of our brain. So next in our nervous system comes the spinal cord. So just have a look at the spinal cord. This is the spinal cord. This is the spinal cord. It is going from neck to your hips. Okay. And now have a look at it. Just this almonds I have connected, but don't look at the almond, look at the needle inside. This is the spinal cord. Imagine this as the network of nerves, that is from here till here, from the neck till your hips. Network of nerves is there, and that is protected by these vertebral. Okay. So what happens is, this is a long thick bundle of nerves. This is very much long, that is from your neck to your hips, and it is a bundle of nerves. It's not only one nerve, many nerves are there. Then it is surrounded by vertebral column. All these are the parts of the vertebral column. Just have a look. All these are the parts of the vertebral column. And it transfers information between the brain and the rest of the body. Now, all these are nerves. All these are nerves. Imagine all these nerves at the back. So, from your brain to rest of the body, all the nerves, all the messages, all the information is transferred from brain through a system of nerves in the spinal cord. Okay. Next, part will be, next part of the nervous system will be the nerves. That will be discussed in the next video. Thank you. So in the flowchart you may write from the whiteboard or you may write from the parents portal. This will be uploaded there also.